Alright, 7.2, number 5. Determine the area under the standard normal curve. That's to the left of z. So here's my standard normal curve. And mu is 0. Standard deviation is 1. And to the left of negative 2.45. So this is my z. So we want to find that area. So basically we are looking at the table to see. So I'm going to take a look at that. And you guys have yours as well. So if I look at negative 2.75 or 2.45, I get this area is 0.0071. Okay, so that'd be 0.71%. Alright, number 8. Oh, I guess I can do all these. Wow, there's A. So B. Z is, oh, this is great because I can erase. Oops. Z is negative 0.43. So negative 0.43 on my table is 0.3336, 33.36. Z is 1.35. That's all of this area here. So I'm going to look up 1.35. And that's my shaded area is 0.9115, 91.15%. And the last one is 3.49. That's crazy far out there. 3 standard deviations is just not likely to happen by chance at all. So if I look it up on here, and guess what, my table doesn't even go that far. Okay, so what am I going to do? I'm going to do normal CDF, negative 999, 3.49, oops, a space here, 0 and 1. And if I do that, let's see if that gives me the answer that they've got in here. And this gives me 0.9998. Yep, that's what they got. Alright, so there we go for these guys. That's good, number 8. Area that lies to the right. Okay, so if I draw same normal curve, so this is sigma is 1 and mu is 0. So my z-scores are along this axis when this is the case. So when z is negative 3.49, this is z. I'm 3.49 standard deviations below. What's that area? If I look it up on the table, that's the very smallest entry in the table. You get this area to be 0.0002. Okay. Oh, except we want the area to the right. So the area to the right would be 1 minus 0.0002, which is 0.9998. Okay, so there's A, B, negative 0.55, because again my table only goes to the left, so I look at negative 0.55 and I get 29.12%, so that means the area to the right is negative 1, there's 1 minus 0.2912, which is what, 0.70, oops, 88, if I did that correctly in my head. Yep. Okay, C. To the right of 2.23. So I'm going to look up that area now. 2.23. Other side. 2.23 is 98.71. So 98.71. So this area is, if you just subtract that from 100, is C is 1.29%. Right? And D. That's 1 minus 98.71, of course. And D is 3.45, which we want this area we want over here. And 3.45 on my table is 0.9997 to the left. So it'd be 1 minus 0.9997, which is 0.003, which is 0.03%. So something that's normal, that's 3.45 standard deviations above the mean, has a very small chance of happening.